Hello guys. Hi, my name is Gaurav Yadav. I hope you all are doing well. So yeah guys, today we'll start something new in logical reasoning, that is analogy problems, right? So today it will be a fun activity basically. We'll do a lots of questions, right? Just give me a second. Let me just prepare something for you. Yes guys, so analogy problems, right? Uh, in your logical reasoning. Okay. So first we'll study what is analogy, right? In logical reasoning, like basically lots of questions are generally asked from this chapter in various competition exams, right? Whether you are going for the Olympiads, whether you are going for like any government exams, right? In logical reasoning, from this chapter, lots of questions are generally asked. So let's have a look. First, let's see what analogy is, right? What is the meaning of analogy? So analogy basically means similarity. Analogy basic meaning is correspondence or similarity. Okay. Like two things will be similar to each other and they want the question want you to decide which option is correct with the same similar pattern, right? So similarity, okay. Analogy basically means similarity. Okay, let me just give you an example, right? Let me just give you an example. For example, uh, one analogy is given, number analogy is given 4 ratio 9, 4 ratio 9, proportion 25 ratio what? Tell me what will be the answer? 4 ratio 9 and 25 ratio your blank. Basically, you have to identify the pattern between 4 and 9, and so that it will come for the blank. Yes. So yes, speeches by course Agrawal is saying 36. Yes, 36 may be right. Why not 49? Like 49 can be there. Okay, let me just give you the options also. First is 36. Second is 49. Right. Third is 51. Fourth is 125. What will be the answer? Tell me now. What will be the answer? Dharmendra Kumar Patel is saying 51. See, if we just identify the pattern, see here 4 is what? 4 is 2 square. 9 is what? 3 square. What is the pattern? Like 2 is there and you have just added 1. So 3 square. So 25 is what? 5 square. So just add 1 into it. It will be 6. So 6 square. It can be 36. Right? It can be 36. Now, one another pattern is there. Like this is 2 square. 2 is basically a prime number. Then this is 3 square. 3 is also a prime number. Right? Now 5 square. Then what next prime number is? After 5, the prime number is 7. So it can be 7 square. Basically 49 can also be there. And 36 can also be there. Okay. Is there any pattern so that 51 can be also the right option? Is there any pattern, guys? Ankur Dayabai 51, Umar 49. See, one pattern can also be like 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 multiplied 2 plus 1 is 9. So 25 multiplied 2 plus 1 is what? 25 into 2, 50, 50 plus 1, 51. So your 51 option can be there, right? So basically 3 options are there and you have to choose only one. So I will just suggest that only one option is right and that option is your second one. 49 will be there, right? I will just tell you later on why is this so, right? But I think now you have a something idea about analogy. Analogy is something what that a different a similar pattern is there. Yeah, right. You are given some similar pattern. You have to identify the same pattern in the questions. Is that clear? So let's study the definition. Analogy is a topic of logical reasoning where two things are compared and conclusions are drawn based on their similarity or dissimilarity. Basically, first we have just focus on 4 and 9. What is the relation between them? What is the similarity between them? Right. Then, depend on that, we have identified that what should be there in the blank. Get my point? So, analogy is that similarity or dissimilarity between them so that we have to identify the other. Okay, so a questions consist of words related to each other based on some logic. Some logic is there, right? And candidates have to identify the other thing. Okay. If you make or draw an analogy between the two things, you show that they are similar in some way. Analogy basic meaning is similarity. That's it. Okay. Okay. It can be number. It can be like your number analogy where we have to deal with numbers, right? And it can be your alphabetical analogy where we have to deal with your letters, words, right? Some patterns on that. Right, guys? So, yeah, basically analogy means correspondence. Speeches by Sparsh Agarwal. Sir, could you do this question? Mangoes to fruit, then blankets to flower, right? So, like lotus can be there. It totally depends on the question, right? It totally depends on the option. Yeah. So let's have a look. Okay, guys. So some alpha, your some questions are there for you. You have to do that. Analogy pairs are there, right? You have to do that. So very first question is museum is to curator. Then prison is to what? Tell me. Museum is to jailer. Museum is to curator, then prison is to, yes, many guys are saying jailer. Yes, definitely. See what? What is the relation between them? These are analogy pairs, right? Like curator is safeguard of museum, right? So who is the safeguard of the prison? That is jailer. So option 4. What about second? Wax to grease. Then milk is to what? Wax is to grease. Then milk is to tell me. Wax is to grease. Milk is to Spurs is saying drink. Umar drink. Uh, Manan Patel. Manan Patel is saying sir curd. Very good, Manan Patel. Curd is the right answer. Why? See, like wax is used to make grease, right? And curd is used to like milk is used to make curd. That's it. Get my point? Wax is used to make grease, then milk is used to make curd. Is the secondary product. Now, third, Saudi Arabia, Riyal, is there a relation between them? And then Japan is to what? Tell question third. Yen. Okay, yen. Yen is the right answer. It's basically the currency, right? Question four. Question four. Lung is to man. Then gill is to what? Lung is to man. Then gill is to fish. Yes, because it's basically your respiratory organ. Like, right or not? Like, man used to have lungs and fish used to have your gills, right? So, got the idea of analogy? What analogy is? The pattern is there. You have to identify that pattern, and based on that, you have to do your questions. Now, okay, some questions are there. Question 1 and question 2. Identify the pattern and tell me which option is there. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Question 1. 27. 27. See, this is the sign of ratio, right? And this is the sign of proportion. 27 in blank. So you have to identify what will be the right option. Okay, so many are saying sir, four options are, fourth option is right. Okay, see, what is the, okay, see the relation between them. 27 is, you can write as 3 cube, and 9 you can write as 3 square. So, is there any option through which 3, like something cube and something square is there simultaneously? 64 is to 8? No, it's just the 8 square and it is 8 only. So no, it's just the 5 cube and 5. No, like no relation then. Okay, in fourth option, 729 is what? 9 cube, right? And 81 is what? And square. So yes, the same relation is following in fourth option. So the fourth option is right. Right, guys? Okay. Okay, do this question number second. 7 is to 24. And identify the relation. Seven is to 24. Then choose other. Okay, let me just read the chat. Snehil Chatterjee, second. Aravi, second. Siddiq, second. So many are saying second. Okay, just tell what is the reason behind it. What is the reason behind it, guys? Okay, second is right. But what is the reason? 23. Yes. See, 7 is to 24. How can you reach to 24 with the help of 7? It's like, it's not the square, it's not the cube, but yeah. If you just multiply 7 into 3, 7 to 3 is what? 21 plus 3. is 24. Is there same pattern following in any? Like in second option, 23 into 3 is what? 69, and 69, sorry. Yes. And 69 plus 3 is what? 72. So the same pattern is following in plus 3 is equal to 72. So therefore, second option is right. Right, guys? Yes. So now see, in number analogy, in number analogy, see, patterns can be anything. Patterns can be anything, like whether two prime numbers are given, right? Like say 2:3. Then 5 is to what? Tell me. Like, see, it totally depends on the question, right? Like if I just give you options, let's say 6, second option is 7. Which option will you choose? Tell me. Tell me in the chat which option will you gonna choose? 6, 6. Experts is saying 7. Otherwise, all are saying 6. Snehil Chatterjee 7. Yes, you have to choose 7. 7 will be your right answer. Why? Because in number analogy, we give some priority, right? Like, see, pattern can be anything. Pattern can be of square, pattern can be of cube, right? Pattern can be of composite number, pattern can be a multiply minus something, multiply addition something, right? But some priority should be decided, right? So, in number analogy, first of all, prime number. Prime number is given the topmost priority. Getting my point? Prime number is given the topmost priority. Then second, square. Something square is there. Let's say 4 is to 9. Then let's say 25 is to what? Then 36 will be there. If in option 49 is not there, then 36 will be right. Like the very first question we have done. If 49 is not there, then 36 is the right answer. That's why in analogy, options are very important. So after square, we come for cube, right? We are discussing the priority, right? Then your multiplication or division. Multiplication or division. Then fifth is your addition, subtraction, or a mixture of it, right? Addition, then subtraction. And sixth is like miscellaneous. Anything, right? Anyhow you are getting that pattern and you are following the same to the other. That's it. So these are the priority patterns. Okay, let's now study what number analogy is. Guys, is my voice is audible to you? Are you getting the point what I am trying to say? Tell me. Okay, okay then. Dhruv Patel, indeed, sir, indeed. Okay. See, number analogy. Number analogy. This section deals with 4 types of questions. Choosing a number related to a given number in the same manner as the two number. Okay, basically the relation to each other. Choosing a similarity related pair, right? And choosing a number similar to a group of number on the basis of certain common properties. Basically, is the definition that some pattern should be similar to the other, right? Choosing a number set similar to a given number set, right? Basically, it's just the definition of your number analogy that some number should be similar to the other. Okay, these are the questions for you. Do it. Question number 1. 4 ratio 80, then 8 ratio what? Okay, do it. Do it fast, do it fast. 4 ratio 80, then 8 ratio what? Do it, guys. $66. Okay, 66. Many guys are saying 56. Okay. So, like first of all, see, is there prime number? No role of prime number. Square, like 4 can be there. Okay, 2 square, then 4 square plus 2. But 8 is not a square, right? So, not that. Okay, now just identify the pattern. How you will reach from 4 to 80? How you will reach? You will reach like 4 square plus the same number 4. 4 square plus 4. Sorry, 4 square plus 2. It's not 20, it's only 18. So 4 square plus 2. Yes, guys. 4 square plus 2. You will reach to 18. Then you 8 square. 8 square plus 2. 8 square is 64 plus 2. That is 66. So the option is 66. Is this right? Go for the second question. Go for the second question. 13 is to 17. Then choose the answer. ROV 2 is to 3. Vaibhav. Vaibhav option 4. Okay. Spurs. First option. Okay. Prithvi also first. Dhruv Patel. First option. Yes. Reply fast. Manan Patel first. Okay. Ankur. 2 is to 3. Siddiq. Option 4. Yes. See. 30 is to 17, right? Okay. See, these 13 is also a prime number. 17 is also a prime number, right? Choose in the option, the two options, whether are prime number or not. 9 is to 11. No. 9 is not a prime. 10 is not a prime. 27 is not a prime. Only option is first. That's it. That's it. Is this clear or not? So 2 raised to 3 will be right answer. Check. A big check. Clear, guys? Otherwise, you will go like, if it's not there, then you have to see the same pattern, 13, 17, how you will go 13 into 1 plus 4, something like that, right? Then these all patterns comes in miscellaneous. I have written here, na? First prime number, then check square, cube, then multiplication, some division, some addition, some subtraction, and then miscellaneous, right? Okay, guys, in analogy, there is not a fixed type of questions will be there, right? Any questions can be made. Even you can just make your question by your own. Getting? So the concept is small, but the practice is more. You have to practice a lot to identify the patterns. Right? Is that clear? Spurs, okay, Spurs, you want to leave the session? Okay. Yes, guys. Now is alphabet analogy. Alphabet analogy, right? So the same in alphabet also some pattern is following. You have to identify the other basic, right? So in this type of question, two groups of letters related to each other in some way. Some relation is there. You have to identify them. You are required to find out the same relationship, either a letter or a group which is related in the same way to a third group provided in the question, or a pair consisting of similar related. Okay. For example, the question is given. Question is given. You tell me what is the answer. Question is given, guys. You tell me what is the answer. Question is find the matching pair. Pass is to QBTT, then fate is to what? Identify. If Jal Ahmed. Okay, sir. If Jal, tell me the reasons also. If you are saying something, some option, state the reasons also. Okay. Dhruv Patel. Okay. Okay. Arohi. Okay. Okay. Let me just write PASS is to QBTT. There should be some pattern in that, right? Identify that. See, uh, successor of, yes. See, after P plus 1 is Q. After P, then read the alphabet P, then Q is there. A, then B is there. Basically, plus 1. S plus 1 T. S plus 1 T. Like that way. So, fail. FAIL. FAIL is to what? F plus 1. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then G. G is there. A plus 1. B. G, I. After I. J. After L. M. This is the easiest example to for starting, right? For starting alphabet analogy. So these types of questions are generally asked, right? Some pattern is there, you have to identify other. Should we proceed further? Is it clear, guys? Okay. Positions of alphabet, right? Positions of alphabet. Whenever you are attempting your logical reasoning paper, right? In any competition exam, first of all, write all these alphabets in reverse order also, right? And the related positions in numbers also, right? So that it will be easy for you to identify it. Getting my point? Just write them in your topmost your rough paper, basically, right? Before attempting your paper. And if you just forget, remember this EJOTY, EJOTY. Your E stands like E for 5, J for 10, then 15, then 20, and then 25. That's it. EJOTY. In reverse order, it's V, Q, L, G, B. 5, 10, the same. 15, it's for reverse order. Got it? Because this is very useful, right? Now see. Okay, some questions are there. Let's say this question first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Guys, answer for the first. Answer for the first question. Yes, guys, answer for the first question. MAD, then GXA, find the pattern and do for the second. I'm writing here M A D is to J X A. Which pattern? Which pattern is it following? Yes, guys, identify the pattern. See, see the pattern, see the pattern. Okay, see, A plus 3 is D, X plus 3 is A, and J plus 3 is M. J, K, L, M, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, right? So, or you can just say P, sir, M minus 3 is J, A minus 3 is X, D minus 3 is A, right? Any way you can do. Now, R-U-N. See, R minus 3 will be what? Is that O? P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R. Yes, O. O is there. Then R is there. Because R S T, no, R S T, R is there, then S T U, yes. R is there, then S T U, then N minus 3, K. N minus 3 is K. So O R K will be the right option. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear or not? So the pattern is minus 3. Right? Okay. Do the second. Q D X M is to S F Y N. First, identify the pattern and then tell me the answer. Identify the pattern, guys. So many are saying, okay. See, P R Q, how do you will reach to S? The pattern is PQ, read PQ, then RS, basically plus 2. For D, A, B, C, D, then E and F, plus 2. X, Y, only one. X, Y, okay, only one. Then M, only one. Basically, for the first two letters, you have to do plus 2. And then for the rest, third and fourth, you have to do plus 1, plus 1. Right? So, U, I, O, Z is to what? So, T, U, V, W plus 2, P, Q, R, S, T, U, then V, W. So, W will be there. G, I, then J, K is there because plus 2. Now, plus 1. P will be there plus 1. Z plus 1 is A. So WKPA, check the option. WKP, okay. The first option is right. Guys, is that clear or not? Are you getting the point? Tell me. Okay. Okay, do the third. To the third question. FILM is to ADGH, then MILK is to what? See the relation of FILM is to ADGH. Check the relation. FILM ADGH ABCDEF. Okay, so it is like -5 or +5 from A, -5 from F or +5 from A. Then GHI J, okay, D -5 also, because if D E F G H I -5, then L -5 same. I think it's following the -5 pattern for the all. Is that so? Now MILK. M -5 is what? MILK. M -5 is what? I -5 is what? L -5 is what? And K -5 is what? M -5 H, because H I J K L M. Then it will be D E F G H I S. Then G G H I J K L G H I J K L, right? Then F G H I J K. Okay. So H D G F. H D G F. Which option? Option second. Option second is the right answer. Okay. Do for the fourth. Do for the fourth question. Yes, guys, do for the fourth question. Yes, do for the fourth question. K C A capital C, capital C A C K. Which option? Which option? Tell me first. Okay, many are saying FM. Okay, this is very easy. See, this is very easy. Check this. K C A capital C, then capital C A C K. Basically, you are going reverse, right? You are going reverse. Now, X G M F. Then the reverse will be capital F, then small m, then small g, then capital X. So FMGX. FMGX. Which option? Option third. Okay. Go for the fifth question. Do the fifth question, guys. Snehil Chatterjee. Okay. Dhruv Patel, Manan Patel. Do the fifth question, guys. Which option? Option one. Option one is right, right? See now. CLOSEDNRWJ. Just a second. Yeah. So option one is right, right? Option one is correct. See the pattern, see the pattern. Let me just rub it. It's very easy. See, CLOSE, CLOSE, that is to DNRWJ. What will be the pattern, guys? What will be the pattern? See, this is very easy. C plus 1 is D, L plus 2 is M, then O, P, Q, R, basically plus 3. It is increasing. S plus 4, E plus 5, like this, right? Then check for O, P, E, N. So O plus 1, P will be there. O plus 1 is P, then P, Q, R, E plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4 will be there. So E plus 3, H, F, G, H, then N plus 4, O, P, Q, R. So P, R, H, R is right option. Which option? Option 1. Clear, guys? Tell me. Okay, then. Okay, these are next question. Do it. Question 1, question 2, question 3. Do it, guys. Question 1, question 2, question 3. Some pattern is following between these two. You have to identify the other. Arohi first. Okay. Anand first. Okay, see. E I G H T 1. Right? How you will get this one? G I E Y T H. If you follow this pattern, right? Somehow all these words are just interchanged. Getting? All these words are interchanged. So just follow the pattern how they are interchanged. The third goes to the first. This is following. Y to the last one. H and T is same. So basically this pattern is like cross pattern. Cross pattern. And let me just make it with red. This way. The middle is at the same position and the first and the third letter just interchange. Is it correct? Now see, output O U T P U T, right? Now your U will be same. Your T will be here and O will go to this one, this place. Same, U will be here, then T will be here, then P will reach to this place. So TUO, this is O. TUO, TUP, TUO, TUP. Which option? Option 1. Option 1 is right. Got it or not? Right. Go for the question second. Go for the question second, guys. Go for the second question. computer. So there should be a relation of computer and FQ COMPUTER and FQPRXVST, right? So what is the relation between them? Find the relation or similarity between them. How you will reach from computer to this. State the reason how you will go for computer to this. Okay. From C to F, A, B, C, then D, E, F, basically plus 3. Then O, P, Q, plus 2. M, N, O, P, then 3. Okay, just so 3 2 3 2 pattern is following. 3 2 3 2. It is following pattern which 3 2 3 2. Then plus 2 plus 3. P, Q, R, 2. U, V, W, X, 3. T, U, V, so 2. E, F, G, H, 3. S, T, plus 2, right? So plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, that pattern is following. Now, language, you have to identify for language. LANGUAGE. JKL, M and O, plus 3. A, B, C. N, O, P, Q. G, H, I. U, R, S, T. A, B, C. G, H, I, J. E, F, G. So Q, C, I, T, C, J, G. Q, C, I. T is not there. G, H, I. U, V, W. Oh, V, W, X is there. X, X. So Q, C, I, X, C, J. Which option? Q, C, Q, I, X, C, J, G. Okay. Third option is right. Okay. Go for the question number third. Yes, guys, go for the question number third. EGIK. Okay. EGIK. Solution third. EGIK. And the corresponding number is WUSQ. WUSQ. You have to identify for DFHG. DFHJ. Okay, guys. Yeah. Vaibhav, how long is this video lecture? Till all the concepts are clear for this chapter. Yes, guys, what is the pattern? E, G, I, K. If you go for from E to W, it will be very hard. Like you have to count for like plus 13 or 14 or whatever, right? Then for G also, for I also. Is it following the reverse order? Is it following the reverse order? See, E, W. That's why if we start in the starting, if we have written like this, E is for 5. And in the reverse, what is for 5? Okay. your E is related to W, na? In that particular question, E is related to W. It means from starting is 5, E stands for 5 and W stands for 4. So 5 minus 1 just 4 from the reverse, right? Next, follow the same. Then G, just a second. E, G, I, K, then W, U, S, Q. See now, I'm solving here. E, G, I, K, and your W, U, S, Q. See guys, E stands for 5 if we go in the chronological order. In the reverse, 5 minus 1 is 4. Follow the reverse order, it will be 4. Then G, G stands for 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Right? And from the reverse, 6 stands for U. Then I is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. From the reverse, 8 stands for S. So this is 8. K stands for 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. From the reverse order, 10 is Q. Is that clear or not? Tell me. Guys, is this relation clear? D, F, H, J. Then D, F, H, J. T stands for 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. F stands for 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. H stands for 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. J stands for 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. But these are from reverse order. 3 from reverse order is X. 5 from reverse order is V. 7 from reverse order is T. 9 from reverse order is R. So X, V, T, R is the right option. Is that clear? X, V, T, R. Okay, the fourth option. Guys, is that clear or not? Okay then. Okay. Okay, now let me just put some questions for you, right? Let me just put some questions for you. Question number 1. If a pattern is there, right? Like 30 is to 16, then proportional 102 is to what? And the options are A option 49, 52, 61, and 98. Tell me the right answer. Tell me the right answer, guys. Yes, guys. What is the answer? What is the relation between 30 and 16? And the same 1022 what? Yes, guys. Identify the pattern. See, this is easy. Like how you go from 30 to 16. you will reach like 30 divided by 2 plus 1 is what? 16. And 102 divided by 2 plus 1 is what? 52. Right? So option B is right. Option B is right. 52 is the right answer. Got it? Okay, next pattern. Question 2. 6 is to 64, then 11 is to what? Okay, do it without option. Do it without option. Tell me the answer. Do it without option and tell me the answer. $169. Yes, 169 is the right answer. That's pretty easy. 64 is what? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 square. Then 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. So 13 square is 169. So 169 will be the answer. Okay. Do this question. 68 is to 130. Then blank is to 350. Okay, let me just give you the options. 222, 240, 216, 210. Yes, guys. What will be the answer? $68 is there. 68. Which pattern it is following? Yes, guys. Which pattern it is following? The Parthvi Mishra. Yes. Nehil Chatterjee. Yes, right answer. See, 68. How you will reach to 68 and 130? See, 68 you can write as 8 square. Sorry, not 8 square. Just go by 4 cube plus 4. 4 cube plus 4. 130 is what? 5 cube plus 5. Similarly, 340. Sorry, 350. 350 is what? 7 cube plus 7. Then 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 cube plus 6. 6 cube is what? 216. 216 plus 6 is what? 212. Sorry, 216 plus 6 is 222. 222 will be right answer. A is the right answer. Okay, guys? Okay, like I think you now got the some concept of your analogy, right? So we'll meet in the next class. Do your practice then. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.